In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Make an Offer feature on Vestiaire Collective. Whether you're a seasoned thrifter or new to the world of premium pre-owned fashion, knowing how to negotiate the price can add a fun and potentially rewarding layer to your shopping experience. So let's dive right in. First things first, begin by opening up your preferred web browser. Once there, simply type in Vestiaire Collective into the search bar. You'll want to select the first result that pops up. This will take you directly to the Vestiaire Collective homepage, where the magic happens. Now that we're on the site, it's time to log in. You'll notice a sign-in button, usually located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this will bring you to the login screen. Go ahead and enter your email address and password to access your account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up with a few quick steps before you can proceed with making offers. Once you're logged in, let's scroll through the diverse selection of items until something catches your eye. With thousands of items from designer handbags to chic clothing, this part might take a while, so enjoy browsing. Once you find an item you'd like, go ahead and click on it to open the details page. On the items page, you'll see all of its features and specifications. Here comes the exciting part, locating the Make an Offer option. This feature is typically near the listed price or clearly marked, and clicking on it will prompt a window to open, giving you a few choices. Vestiaire Collective often suggests recommended offer prices based on the seller's previous activities and the market demand. These are quite useful if you're unsure of where to start your bid. However, if you feel confident and want to go with your gut, you can also type in your own offer. It's all about finding that sweet middle ground where both you and the seller feel comfortable. To submit your offer, either type it in manually or use the arrow buttons to adjust the amount to your liking. Once you're satisfied with the price, the next step is easy. Just hit the Send Offer button. This action will send your proposed price to the seller, initiating the negotiation process, and there you have it. A quick and straightforward way to utilize the Make an Offer feature on Vestiaire Collective. This little tool can help you score high-quality items at prices that suit your budget, adding joy to your shopping experience while ensuring your wardrobe gets those fabulous pieces it deserves. Remember, patience and persistence are key, so happy shopping.